Stuffed Pastoran Eggplant Extravaganza. Stress-free crockpot magic. Hey foodies! Today we're making stuffed pasta and seasoned eggplant in the crockpot. It's stress-free cooking because the hardest part is the prep. And honestly, even that's a vibe. Let's get started. Now, this stuff is magic, stuffed with a variety of different fillings. If seasoned right, you won't even miss the meat. Promise. Eggplant. 2 large ones or 4 small ones. Your call. We're roasting these bad boys in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Pro tip, poke them with a fork first, unless you want eggplant explosions. Trust me, you don't. While these roast, let's talk seasoning. Eggplant is like a sponge. It soaks up flavor like it's its job. So we're going to make it work over time. Once they're cool, scrape out the insides and chop them up. It's weirdly satisfying, like scooping avocado, but purple. Now, let's build the flavor bomb. Diced peppers, chopped onions, 6 cloves of garlic, because garlic is life, and your personal seasoning of choice. I'm using smoked paprika, cumin, and a pinch of chili powder for that chef's kiss vibe. You mix everything in a bowl, tossing it like a salad. Mix it all together. Look at those colors. If this doesn't make you feel like a gourmet chef, I don't know what will. Now, let's wake up the crock pot. A drizzle of olive oil, some onions, peppers, and garlic, just enough to make the base layer smell like heaven. Next, the vegan al pastor. Layer it in there like you're building a flavor lasagna. Here's the secret weapon, kale. It's not just for smoothies, folks. We're using it to separate the pasta from the eggplant mixture. Think of it as the VIP section of the crock pot. Now, the pièce de résistance, the seasoned eggplant mixture. Spread it evenly like you're frosting a cake, a very savory cake. Set it on high for 2 hours and walk away. The hardest part, waiting. But trust me, the aroma will let you know when it's ready. It's like a dinner alarm clock. 2 hours later, and oh my, look at this masterpiece. The pasta should be tender, the eggplant flavorful, and your kitchen smelling like a 5-star restaurant. You stir the mixture and taste it, making an exaggerated mmm face. Taste, test, perfection. If the pasta's cooked through, you're golden. If not, give it another 30 minutes. Patience is a virtue, my friends. Plate it up with a side salad for garnish because we're fancy like that. Look at those colors. This is the kind of meal that makes you want to Instagram it before eating. So, what do you think? Gourmet or chaos? Either way, it's delicious. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to tag me in your creations. Bon appétit!